With brewers and beer lovers converging in Denver, restaurants are hosting dinners with brewmasters and rolling out beer pairing menus. Among the highlights, Mercantile Dining Provision, tucked in Denver's Union Station, will be hosting the Brewers Table on October 5th for a brewery, chef-paired dinner. Euclid Hall will celebrate the festival on October 5th by hosting brewers from Telluride Brewing Company and Elevation Beer Company. The restaurant will feature a 5-course meal paired with beers from the breweries. Over on Larimer Street, Osteria Marco and Great Divide Brewery are teaming for a Hooves and Hops dinner on October 6th that will include a 5-course meal that's perfectly paired with the brewery's beers. During Great American Beer Festival, the Nickel inside Hotel Teatro will transform into the Nickel Diner, where you can find some elevated beer food classics. We're talking chicken and waffles with Tabasco honey and house-made pretzels.